Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss all the features about Pradhan Mantri Suganya Samriddhi Yojana. This scheme was started by BJP government in the year 2014 for the benefit of girl children. This account will be financially more supportive for girls during their higher education and marriage. The tenure period of this account is 21 years. By every 3 months once, Ministry of Finance may change the interest rate followed in this scheme. Previously, the interest rate followed in this scheme was 8.5%, but from 1st April 2020, the interest rate was reduced to 7.6%. Even though now interest rate was reduced, still government gives highest interest rate for this scheme only. So, parents who likes to have savings for their girl child, they can open this Suganya Samriddhi account. In future, government may increase the interest rate also. You can open this account in your nearby post office or in any public or private sector banks. This account can be opened only in the name of girl child up to the age of 10. Girl child who are above the age of 10 cannot open this account. Parent or guardian can open this account. Only one account can be opened in name of one girl child. In a family, maximum 2 accounts can be opened in name of 2 different girl child. For opening this account, initial deposit amount should be ₹1000. And in every financial year, you should make a minimum deposit of ₹1000 in this account. For maximum deposit, limit is 1.5 lakhs. You can deposit the amount through online also. From the starting date of this account, continuously for 15 years, you should deposit the amount. You can make the deposit in any number of installment. After completing 15 years, in next 6 years, you no need to invest any amount in your account. During that period, your amount will get multiplied with compound interest. After completion of total 21 years, your account will get maturity. For this scheme, government gives complete tax exemption. Amount invested in this scheme will get tax benefit under section 80C, and after completion of 21 years, you can withdraw full amount which is completely tax free. Suppose if you fail to make a minimum deposit of 1000 rupees in one financial year, then you have to pay 50 rupees penalty and then you can continue your account. After girl child attain the age of 18, only one time government will allow for partial withdrawal. From your account, up to 50% of the account balance is allowed for partial withdrawal. In this scheme, premature closure is possible during that girl child's marriage. You can close the account before 3 months of marriage date. In this scheme, interest amount is calculated using compound interest on yearly basis. There is no compulsion in this scheme that you should deposit a fixed amount of money in every month. For calculation purpose only I had taken this assumption. In every month if I pay ₹500, then in 15 years I would have totally deposited 90,000 rupees. At the end of 21 years, I will get total returns of 2,55,076 rupees. In every month if I pay ₹1000, then in 15 years I would have deposited 1,80,000 rupees. At the end of 21 years, I will get total returns of 5,10,152 rupees. In every month, if I pay ₹5,000, then in 15 years, I would have deposited 9 lakh rupees. At the end of 21 years, I will get total returns of 25,50,760 rupees. In every month, if I pay 7,000 rupees, then in 15 years, I would have deposited 12,60,000 rupees. At the end of 21 years, I will get total returns of 35,71,064 rupees. In every month, if I pay 10,000 rupees, then in 15 years, I would have totally deposited 18 lakhs. At the end of 21 years, I will get total returns of 51,1,520 rupees. In every month, if I pay ₹12,500, then in 15 years, I would have deposited 22,50,000 rupees. At the end of 21 years, I will get total returns of 63,76,900 rupees. But it is not recommended to pay more amount in this scheme. Better you can choose a best mutual fund so that you have chance to get high returns. For opening this account, documents required are birth certificate of girl child, identity proof of guardian like PAN card, and address proof like ration card or driving license. In case of guardian's death or very serious disease, account can be closed and that girl child can withdraw the full amount. This account can be transferred from one branch to another, and you can transfer from bank to post office or post office to bank also. If you like to continue this account after 21 years, there is no objection for that. Without investing any extra amount, you can continue your account. NRI children are not eligible to open this account.